friends, Running Kimono here. So it is Monday, August the 30th. I hope you guys are all doing great. We're going to talk about some really inexpensive deals over at Walgreens. Now, just to throw this on the table or right off the bat, however you want to phrase it, we are doing this as a curbside pickup because I believe that in store some of these items might be a little bit more. The app to curbside is just so much cheaper. And what is curbside? Well, basically you order stuff through the Walgreens app, and then an employee at the store will fulfill your order. They'll send you an email back. You go to the store because one of these offers is in conjunction with IBOTTA. You need a physical receipt. So go to the photo counter and say, hey, my name is Mrs. Jones Smith. And they'll say, oh, Mrs. Smith, your order is right here. They'll bring some paper bag. And then once they scan the bag, a receipt will pop out for you. So, and that receipt you'll photograph to IBOTTA for one of the little deals today. But that's what we're doing. I think in store, some of these items might be a little bit more, just to note that. Okay, so the first little deal, you're going to have to do this one sooner than later because the digital coupon is expiring. So this Banana Boat Moisturizing Aloe, it is 16 ounces, which is quite a bit. That's like a pound of this lotion for $2.99. Buy one, get one 50% off. Typically, when summer is coming to a close, a lot of this stuff is on sale. We have this wonderful 5 off of 2 digital. As you can see, it expires on the 31st. So they kind of timed that one out well, where they were like, we're not giving this stuff away. However, they have one deal for this aloe stuff. At the very least, if you've ever dealt with a really bad sunburn, or if you just need it in your house, for this price, they're practically, it's free. So the coupon reduces down right to $4.48. You're not going to get any overage, but do this deal because it's fantastic. The next one we're going to talk about is the Icy Hot for $5.49. I think in store this stuff is like $8.99. It's probably made out of gold and there's diamonds inside of the bottle. It is quite pricey. We have 2 digital coupons that include the 3 off, which is the Walgreens coupon, and then the manufacturer, which is a 2 off. So you're going to have to clip both of these digital coupons. So just to show you the basket, the Banana Boat, $4.48 off. For the Icy Hot, the IVC, $3. It says multi-brand, that's IVC. And then the Icy Hot Digital, which is $2. So my coupons are just coming off. No problems, no issues right there. And then just to show you my basket here, just grabbing these 3 products, the 2 Banana Boats and the 1 Icy Hot. The total is basically 91 cents. 42 cents of that is tax. So really, really cheap stuff. If you just want some cheapies, this is definitely the way to go. Now, if you want a little something extra, the Dial, it's called Clean and Gentle, which is not the regular Dial body wash, just to note that. This is like dye-free special body wash. It's on a buy one, get one 50% off promotion. And when you buy 2, you get back $2 in Walgreens cash. So there's a little bit of incentive. Unfortunately, we don't have any digital coupons. So for this instance, I would definitely use a little bit of Walgreens cash. Hey, you have absolutely nothing to lose. So throwing 2 of these, you're paying basically for this body wash. I would throw in my $5 of Walgreens cash. In this basket, I have the Banana Boat, the Icy Hot, and the 2 special Dial body washes. So after I use $5 in Walgreens cash, I'm paying $4.63 with my debit card. And then, you know how I was saying earlier in the video, there's an IBOTTA rebate. So I'm going to submit for that. So over on IBOTTA, and double, triple check that we have the same rebates, because not everybody has the same rebates. We have $1.50 back for this gentle body wash. So check your IBOTTA rebate that you in fact have this. You're going to get back $1.50 for each. So that's basically like $3 back. So it shakes it out to like, really inexpensive. But if you were doing the all deal last week, you're going to get back an extra 75 cents. So the final price point now for this body wash is $2.47 or $1.23 per body wash with the 75-cent bonus. So that's a little something called winning. One of you guys just sent me this in a DM, so I'm going to throw this in as well. These Dentex is a little floss pick. buy one get one free, so you would pay $2.50 for the one. Again, this is a curbside price I'm looking at. In store it might be $3.19. We have a $2 digital coupon, so it's going to apply to both. No worries. I just tossed one in a basket. I wish I had this sooner when I put my order into the store, but it's okay. And then as you can see, guys, you're paying 50 cents for the 2 picks, or they're a quarter each plus your tax. So what a great little deal. Final thing I want to talk about. I know I was saying in yesterday's video that I couldn't track down my P&G. I was looking for it at Walgreens, and I looked, and then I went to a couple gas stations, and I finally tracked it down. You know what I think it was, guys? They didn't have newer newspapers. I think it was like papers from earlier in the week that was on the top of the stack, and I was just looking through them like an idiot. But I finally found them. Of course, they're tideless, which kind of sucks, but the other coupons inside I will absolutely use for some sort of either at Rite Aid or possibly with Dollar General in the month of September, and I needed a couple to always make deals happen. So it was in fact in last weekend's paper, and if you couldn't track any down, you can always go to your newspaper office, go to circulation and say, hey, would you have the weekend paper with the P&G? And a rep should be able to help you, hopefully. As always, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.